Hi friends, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I am very excited to be sharing my fall kitchen clean and decorate. You guys know that I love all things fall decor, and now that it's September and the weather is kind of cooling off, the leaves are at least changing, we can officially start celebrating fall, and there is nothing like a cozy fall morning baking pumpkin muffins, lighting the fall candles, and just decorating and getting the home feeling cozy and ready for the new season. I'm also going to be sharing some good kitchen cleaning motivation today to get your home feeling nice and tidy. So if you need all of that motivation to get your kitchen ready for fall, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. As you guys can see, I started out this video just by getting some pumpkin muffin batter going. I wanted to start out with my baking because I wanted to get that in the oven, so that it was done by the time I was done cleaning and decorating, but also because if you want to make your home smell amazing, especially for fall, go ahead and make these muffins. I can guarantee you your entire house will smell like a yummy fall bakery, and it's just one of my favorite things. It's really nostalgic for me. It takes me back to this time of year, and I love it and my kids love it, and so I wanted to start out just by making this. And I wanted to mention, as you can tell, I'm not going into detail with the voiceover with the recipe. I'll definitely just leave that down in the description for you guys. That way, if you want to make it at home, you can too. These pumpkin spice muffins are definitely one of my favorites because they're perfect with your morning cup of coffee. They're not too sweet. They're also great as like an afternoon pick-me-up or treat, and I just love them. But I wanted to quickly mention, if you happen to miss any of my prior fall decorating videos, I'll definitely link them up above, and I'll leave a playlist down below. You guys don't want to miss any of the videos. I had these really cute muffin tin liners from last fall, so I just went ahead and used those. And then I'm going to quickly get the batter into the muffin tin. If you do not use an ice cream scoop, you're missing out. It makes your life so much easier. And then I'll get them into the oven and we'll get started on the cleaning. And if you happen to be new around here today, I just wanted to say welcome, and I'm so glad that you're here. Here on my channel, I do lots of homemaking and home decor inspiration. And if you like what you see today, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And now that we have the muffins in the oven, we've got those going, I'm going to quickly tidy up this kitchen. Like I mentioned before, I always make a huge mess whenever I bake. I cannot help myself. It's just who I am, but we're going to get everything picked up, and then we're going to go ahead and wipe down all of the surfaces, and that way we'll be ready to decorate. I'm using my Thieves Young Living household cleaner today. I have that linked in my description if you're curious about Young Living, but I love this product for the fall because it smells like cinnamon and clove, and it has those nice kind of fall spicy scents. It is perfect. My sweet little helper Grayson kept asking me if the muffins were done, and he kept asking me what that smell was because he thought it smelled really good, but he wasn't quite familiar with that pumpkin scent. It was super cute. But I had my Alexa playing coffee shop music. I definitely recommend, if you've never done that, tell Alexa to play coffee shop music, or sometimes I'll switch it up and do classical music. and it's just a really peaceful atmosphere to clean in, especially because I had the boys playing in the living room with toys, and it was just a quiet, cozy morning in. And I so cherish those mornings with my kids. Emma was at school by this point, but I just love it. I love how peaceful and calm it feels, and the boys definitely feel that and sense that, and they can definitely tell a difference in me when I'm more relaxed. So I encourage you to get your cleaning done, especially before any decorating you want to do. You're gonna enjoy it so much more.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair.
So you guys will have to let me know if you've started decorating already now that it's September, or if you're still waiting a few weeks or maybe even months at this point. But I wanted to ask you guys, do you decorate for Halloween? And is that something you would enjoy seeing on my channel? I did not decorate for Halloween last year, nor did I share anything on YouTube related to Halloween, but I'm kind of, I don't know, inspired this year, you could say. I have a bunch of friends decorating for Halloween and they've been planning, and I've been really just inspired by them. So I've been thinking I might do a Halloween clean and decorate. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys want to see that?
I know you've tried so hard.
The first thing I'm adding is this morning pumpkin tea towel. I found it at Hobby Lobby. It's really simple. And then over here I had a bunch of empty countertop space. So I took this cutting board. It was handmade. I found it at an antique shop. I took a mason jar and some plaid ribbon and made a little bow. And then I had all of these leftover sprigs from Hobby Lobby from the fall section. So I just kind of threw them all together, pieced them together, and made a cute little floral arrangement. And I thought this turned out great. I also decided to add a few white pumpkins to this just to make it feel that much more like fall. And I also took this little creamer dish from my tiered tray, which I'll bring that tiered tray back in the kitchen at the end of this video. If you have not seen my tiered tray video, I'll have that linked up above as well. But I wanted to include this with the little wooden spoons over here, just because I feel like that really tied it all together. Now I'm taking this basket that I found at Hobby Lobby, as well as these fall floral stems. They are beautiful fall colors, and I'm just placing them so that they're flowing down and draping down over the fridge. And I thought this added a really pretty statement on this side of the kitchen, since there really isn't a lot of fall decor going on with this side. Then I hung this fall wreath above my microwave, also from Hobby Lobby, in those same really beautiful colors. Love to have this kickstand I found on Amazon. I have it linked in my Amazon storefront here in the kitchen, because I can add whatever baked goods I make throughout the week on them, even cookies, brownies, muffins, you name it. And it always adds a really homey touch to the kitchen. And now that they're cooled off, I have a little taste tester, Graham, eating one, and he loved it. A few months ago, we added shiplap to our island, and I have Loved it. It's so pretty here in the kitchen, but it does get dirty. So I'm just taking a rag and wiping off any of the scuff marks or footprints or anything like that, and just getting it nice and clean. And then I'll move on to our kitchen table area. I'm going to clear everything out, and I'm also going to wipe down the table with that same thieves cleaner. And I'm also going to vacuum this new rug. It's from Boutique Rugs, and if you're curious about that, I'll have it linked down below as well.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little thing.
Now I'm taking this glass jar that I have from Hobby Lobby, as well as more fall florals. I love these pretty burnt orange. They almost look like berries. They're very airy, very pretty, and they're nice and tall, so they add a nice statement. But I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the rug because we do get it pretty messy from time to time. It's an indoor-outdoor rug though, so it comes clean as well. So I'm super happy with that. And I'm just keeping things really simple on the table this year. You guys know that I like simplicity here in the kitchen because I do have 3 kids and I want to make life easy. I want to be able to just quickly take off the decor when I need to. And here on my wicker chairs, those are from IKEA. I added a cozy knit throw blanket and 2 burnt orange pillows from HomeGoods.
Lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart. Every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms. Pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. You call.
I feel like with as crazy as 2020 has been, and with all of the hats that we're trying to juggle right now as wives and as moms, or whatever season of life you're in, I don't care who you are, this year has just been different to say the least. So I thought it was really appropriate just to add an encouraging scripture to the kitchen area, our heart of the home, that I can change out whenever I want. And I'm just writing it in plain old handwriting, nothing fancy. And this first scripture is 1 Thessalonians 5:16-18, which basically just encourages us to rejoice, to continuously pray, and in everything give thanks. And I feel like that's such an encouraging reminder to have on a daily basis here in the heart of our home, and I'm super thankful for it. But I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that it brought you tons of decorating motivation and inspiration, and maybe a few fun ideas for your kitchen. If you did like it, make sure you give this a big thumbs up, say hi in the comments, let me know what your favorite part was, and be on the lookout for my fall front porch video. That will be next. I'm so excited to share that with you guys, and I hope that you all have a wonderful week. I'll talk to you guys really soon in the next one. Bye.